So today we're gonna talk about CPNs again. I've been getting a lot of questions about them, so stay tuned and let's do it.
I went from riding Uber to 4 cars in 2 months. I made like 4 bands every week. Shrimp and lobster all I eat. A lot of niggas envy if they get the chance to kill me. So I'm ducked off clearly. I keep them fake niggas from near me. Yeah, see, I ain't got no timing.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Benzo Fly. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in today and watching. I want everybody to click that bell notification and subscribe. And make sure you click the bell notification. It's important so you can get all this good info every time I say something about it. You feel me? CPNs. How to build a CPN. People want to know how to build it. When you first get it, you know it's going to be 0 or in that. It's not going to have a credit score. What you want to do is get as many primaries on there as you can. Primaries, things that you're applying for. The best things to start off with, like Horizon card, they got Kickoff. Kickoff is another one. It's like a little loan they give you, and you just pay it $12. It's just really credit builders, just to get the credit established. Then the installment loans is another good one too. You get an installment loan and you start paying that off, that's gonna help you score real fast. You feel me? You'll be at like close to a 600 in the first month. If you do all of them, you'll probably be at a 6 something. You know, like if you do like 3 or 4 of them. So I would recommend you going that route first. And then if you want to build it up way faster after doing that, let that report at least like 1 time. Then throw you a trade line on there, authorized user, you know. Get you a good one with some history. At least, I would say at least 5 years or more. That way the CPN could look older. It'll look like it's at least 5 years or older. You know, if you really want to go hard, get you a 10-year-old trade line with like a $15,000, $20,000 limit. You know, you can put more than one on there too. It's all about what you're trying to do and how hard you're trying to go. So if you want to get the $5,000 credit card limits and all that, you want to throw a good trade line on there. Unless you're cool with just the small shit, you feel me? You get you a cheap trade line to do small things. You feel me? But if you want to go big and get on some of that benzo shit and just go hard, invest in yourself, spin the bag. Oh yeah, I'm doing the FaceTime calls too now. 2 FaceTime calls is for $250. You just ask me all the questions that you want to ask, anything you might need to know, any personal credit, business credit, CPNs, documentation and what you need to get approved for certain loans, anything that you gotta ask, you'll be able to ask me within that little bit of time that we on the phone. 20 minutes, 20 to 30. I do 20 minutes, but you feel me? Some people, they stay on. I give them a little bit of extra time just because I like to explain everything in depth when they ask the questions. So $250 for those. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Click that notification. My bad. Yeah, click the notification. I almost forgot the day, baby. And or click the bell. Make sure y'all click that bell and stay tuned, and make sure you click the bell so you can see it when it come up. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share it, because you never know who might need this information. So go share it on Facebook, Instagram, you know, Twitter, all that little shit. TikTok, put it everywhere. You feel me? Let people know